Hello guys, so today we're going to see who is the strongest engine on the side of the island. Here we have the sky jump, the rails, and the green machines. So let's get going! Yeah! Okay, so now we just got set up, so now I'm going to show you the engine, the timers for the engine first and then the other one. So here we go! So now we got racing Thomas versus regular Percy, trophy Thomas versus Lady, and we got Goyer Thomas versus Toby. Over here we got Ellie versus Real Control Percy. Hurricane versus Gordon, so we don't have Hurricane versus Gordon's final because we had that in like 2 videos, and we got Motorized Percy and Merlin because Spencer doesn't work right now, so Spencer's just sleeping somewhere. I don't know. Bye! Oh. Wait. Now it's racing. Great race timers. This is. Oh, let's go. Yeah! Oh, Percy won. If he gets that there. And there we go. Okay, so now the Trophy Thomas running, which is having trouble. I may have to help Lady. Turn it off and help him. Okay. Oh, maybe you guys will be right okay, so now we go. And go. And this is great. Okay. Let's see who's stronger. Oh, Lady lost. Thomas won, he tried to escape. Okay, so now we got it. Go. Looks like Thomas is acting a little slow there. And we got Thomas. And on the curve, let's see who gets the joke. Oh, Toby! Look, now we have 2 engines in the ship, so we have Lady and Thomas. Okay, so now I'll be running. I get Percy. And you guys. Here's remote control. Emily is having a little bit trouble, so gotta help him. So Ellie actually came. Here comes trouble. Now it's Hurricane versus Gordon. Okay, go Gordon, go. Go Gordon, over under the Timber Bridge. Whoa, he's going super fast. Gordon is going. He's gonna win. Gordon. He even derailed and he got back on track. Yeah, so now it's Merlin, the Invisible, versus Motorized Percy. Motorized Percy's going a little bit slow over there. Oh, Merlin kind of got pushing again. Oh, Merlin. Just like in the other battle from October 22nd, we have 3, so we're just gonna do these 2, and then we're gonna do this one. Okay, so now it's Thomas versus Percy. Oh no, it's gonna be a course right here. Yeah. Let's see who's gonna win. Come on. Trophy Thomas win. Let's do the win. Oh, I didn't do it. Trophy Thomas just comes pretty clean. Well, almost clean. Now it's Toby versus Percy. Let's see. He's gonna be closing at the corner. And oh, Toby actually won. Toby won. He's come through fine and clean. Almost clean. So actually I want to keep Percy in because he's my favorite. He also has a lamp. So now we'll just do this one, and there's going to be 1 left for this one. Okay, now it's Gordon versus Percy. We're gonna go with Gordon's game. Where's Percy? Oh, there he is. Oh, Gordon won! Gordon won! Oh, now he's just smashing through everything. Okay, so now it's Percy versus Thomas. And then Percy's going fine there. Oh, Percy! Oh, I can't believe Gordon won that. Only like Percy can take. Oh, Percy won because he was still standing on the track. Actually, guys, so the only person that could take down the person that I found out was Remote Control Percy. But now I see that Gordon can take it down too. Okay, so our final two right there is Precyes, Remote Control, and Gordon the Express Engine. Express coming through! Okay, so now Gordon's running. I have to get Remote Control Percy over at the tipping bridge. That looks like what it should. Oh, it's gonna have a crash. Oh, Gordon won! Okay, so our winner in this battle, we have Gordon. Yeah, again for the second time. Gordon Express Engine. I thought Remote Control Percy was gonna win. What was that? Oh no. So guys, peace out. If you want to see some more videos, stay tuned. And so thanks for watching and bye bye.